What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add product reviews and ratings on your homepage on your Shopify store so that the clients who visit your store can get like a glimpse of the featured products that are on your website and the customer reviews left for these products as well as the ratings. So let's get right to it. By default, you can show or your clients can view the reviews if they go to the product page itself. However, if you want them to show on your home page, you will need an app to do so. But before I show you the steps needed to do so, to add the reviews on your home screen, you should note that in order to show the reviews on your home screen, you should first have products that already have reviews. So if you do not have or your products don't have any customer reviews, you can still add the widgets or the install the apps and add the section, as I will show you in a bit. However, it will not show anything. Nothing will show on your home screen if you do not already have reviews to your products. If you do have reviews, they will show as normal. However, since here this is like a test account that I created on Shopify just for the sake of this tutorial to show you the steps here, I do not have any reviews on my product. This is why the preview of the app itself or the carousel itself will not show up properly when I try to customize it. However, I'll show you all the steps needed to do so on your Shopify store, and if you do already have reviews, they will show up on your home screen. So let's go to the App Store. So click here on Add Apps, and then scroll down if you get this pop-up window, and then click Shopify App Store. The App Store should open. You want to search for product reviews. Okay, hit enter, and you'll see many product reviews like apps. Many of them are paid and have free plans, and there are some free ones available as well. You can use any one, it doesn't matter. They all do like basically the same thing. However, I'll recommend one called judge.me product reviews, and here we can also view the product review from my app gurus here. This is like a pretty basic one. So we'll install the two of them because I want to show you some differences between the two and some extra features of the judge.me. So we've gone ahead and installed the product reviews by my app gurus, which is free, and the rating is 4.8. So you know it's a pretty decent app. So click on install here. And once the app is installed, you'll be redirected to your dashboard where you can see all your reviews, your overall rating, your recent reviews, and so on. So here there aren't any reviews because this store I have just created it, so I don't have any product reviews. I added a product, but I don't have any product reviews. So what you want to do to show the reviews on the home page is to go to the online store here, click on it, and then go to themes, which is the option selected by default, and this will work on pretty much any recent theme from the updated themes on Shopify. Here I'm on the Dawn theme, which is the one created or selected by default. However, you can select any of the popular themes on Shopify, and the process will be pretty much the same. So we'll go here to customize the theme, and make sure from the pages on the top here, make sure we are on the home page selected, and here you want to add a section in the template. You want to add here a section, and here you should find an option to add like a review carousel or something like that. However, I do not see this option because I don't have any reviews yet on my products. So here, if you already have reviews on your products, you should be able to see this option. Now let's go and install the other app. Maybe that'll solve the issue, and we will see here the option regardless of whether we have reviews on our products or not. So let's go to the store once again. So Shopify App Store, and search for product reviews. Okay, reviews. And this time we will install the judge.me product reviews. We'll install it. Click on install here, and then click on install app. And once the app is installed, you'll be redirected to your main dashboard. Okay, let's close this pop-up, and here you get many options. You want to select continue using the free plan. Of course, you can upgrade to the paid plan if you want to. Now, here are some insights of the reviews, like the review requests, average ratings, and so on. However, there aren't any, because as I told you, I do not have any reviews on my products yet. Now, let's go to the online store here, and then click on themes. Themes is selected. Let's go to customize the themes here, and make sure the home page is selected, and let's try to add the section here in the template. So add section, and here in the apps section, if we click on it, you'll see here the options provided by the judge.me. So here we have review widget, reviews carousel, reviews text, sections for medals. I don't have any medals, so verified, reviews badges, grid. So mainly you would want to focus on these first two, the review widget and the reviews carousel. If we choose the review widget, and as you can see here, the review widget is added. Now let's click on it, and then it'll ask us to select a product to collect and display reviews and star ratings. Okay, let's choose our this product that we added, and here the product doesn't have any reviews, so nothing shows up. Now let's go back here and add another section for the reviews carousel, and in the reviews carousel it should here like show a carousel of, here it shows this section because I don't have any reviews. However, you should, if you do have reviews on your product, you should see the featured products here with the reviews and star ratings in a carousel, like changing or like switching between them for your customers. And you can see here how it look like on the desktop, the mobile, and in full screen to get a good feeling of that, how it will look like in your Shopify store. So as you saw here, the judge.me is definitely the app you want to choose for your review, to show your reviews on your home screen. And if you already have product reviews on your home screen, they should appear here. However, since I don't have any, there isn't anything to show up. So that's how easy it is to edit the settings to show your product reviews on your home page on your Shopify store.